Alright guys, another quick video. On your remote control, you do have a quick launch for Netflix and Live TV. The Live TV is not for CSTV, but if you click it, it will launch live television. It does launch Pluto. Pluto has about 250 live TV channels on demand. And if you would like, hit the OK button and it brings up, and you can hit Program Guide. When you hit the Program Guide, you do have a full-on TV guide with whatever you may be looking for is inside of there. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. Next thing I want to let you know on, if this is a supplemental device and you have not cut the cord, you can go into your apps, go up to Get More, go up to the search icon, USA. You can download some of your favorite channels. They do have a lot of free content inside of there. If this is a supplemental device for you and you have a DirecTV, a Cox, a CenturyLink, a Dish, or anything like that, you can also log those in to be able to get a larger selection of their on-demand stuff as well. So if you're Fox, Fox Sports, ESPN, USA, TBS, TNT, HBO Go, Showtime, Stars, any of that stuff, if you have any of that content through your paid account, through Dish, DirecTV, or any of that, you can install their application, log it in utilizing your current logins for that company, and you would be able to access tons more content. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.